going on, people? Let the pigeon out for a fly. Come on, come on, you can go here, come on. We've got a youngster in here that haven't flown yet. Maybe I'll go for the first go. Come on, what are you doing? I put him over yesterday and he's left mate there. They're all youngsters. She's older but she's on an egg down there so she doesn't fly out there. Yeah, they're all youngsters, them fellas, they don't really go flying yet. How are you going, mate? That's my little indigo blue bar. Yeah. I've got 4 more youngsters I'm going to put over today. Over in the toss basket. Got a couple of youngsters in the. Got 4 youngsters in the stock loft there in here. They've got a bit of canker. I've given them tablets for the last 3 days, so hopefully that can fix them up. There's one that's healthy, so I'm going to put them over. There's a dark checker, a red grizzle, a blue bar pied, and a black. So some nice youngsters going over. I'll put them over now. And take them over and put them over now. I'll just carry them over. Nice little birds. None of the kids are out with me today, so I'm going to have to film and carry this basket at the same time. Loft, fine loft. Started building me new fine loft too. We're on the other side of the house. It's going to be twice as big as that. Okay, so I'll see how we go here. I might just have to get Bronson out to give me a hand. Putting these over. I mean, putting these in the loft. I'll yell out the Bronson. Bronson! Hey, Kim. Come out here quickly. I'm making a vid. He's coming. He's bolted out here. He's a good helper, mate. He likes to catch the youngsters and we can go, look. What's going on, mate? We're going to put these 4 youngsters in.
Yep.
Just check once more that they've got no canker or nothing like that, mate, when you grab them. Okay?
Yep.
Put these in this loft. Look, 1 in there.
I think this one has...
What, mate?
I think it's got some... that's just the rest of it, so I'll leave it.
Have a look.
I think.
So just put him down there, actually, mate. We'll put him back in the other loft. And grab one of the other babies. Bronson thinks you got a bit of canker, that one, so we're not going to put him in. Yeah, I'll help you, mate. Show me him. Mate. He's fine.
I don't think that checker
Put him in.
has canker.
Right, just on the floor, that's good. Good job, Bunce. Oh. How's he look? He's a nice bird, that one. He's gonna be really nice. Neat looking bow shells, his head. Come here, mate. Show us your head. He's fine.
One of his older siblings has a broken leg.
Yeah, from the last round. Another red grizzle.
Yeah, that was from the first round.
Is that the black one? Show me, look at him. Show us him. Show us his crop. His crop perfect. First pure black we
He doesn't have canker.
First pure black we bred. We bred some other black pieds with like chicks on their eyes and that. Never a pure black, so he's the first one over. We bred this far. Come mate. Grab him for me, Bronze. We'll have another look at him.
One of your youngins.
Couple of lumps going up on his beak there. I'm not too sure about, like and yeah, definitely that. See out there, that lump there next to his eye.
Thought so.
That's canker. We'll put him back over. So it's a bit of a shame. I've been giving them these tablets. No, not. I'm just filming, Hayes, and you can go in after. You've already been in this afternoon. So I've been medicating them for the last 3 days. So with these tablets, but I've actually used my last tablets today. But I express ordered some tricol, some stuff off Pigeon Vitality Australia, and I've paid to
Well, it went back in the store's box.
I've paid to have it express posted. So
These two have 2 eggs now, but we got one on. We got her laying one on camera, but the other one, unfortunately, broke.
Yeah, the second
so
egg
we
was
waxed
out of
it
the.
up.
The second egg was out of the nest, so and it was had a decent hole in it, but the hole didn't go through the like second layer of things, so I'll wax it up just to see how it goes. Watch out, Bronson.
The one with broken leg.
That one there, that red grizzle there, broke her leg the other day when she was out flying. I don't know if she did it. I taped her up and that, and seems to be going heaps better now. Went for a flight over there with a broken leg to bugger it. Took off when the other birds were out flying, but so I put her in here and she's going all right. Have a look at that one, Hayes. He's got a broken leg.
She hasn't seen it yet.
Kim. We've got to water and feed these champions. So that's that one there. I was telling about before. So I've got, that one's got a little bit of canker, and its brother there's got a little, they've both got a bit of canker, which I've treated, right? I really should be putting them in a cage by themselves. That grizzle down there, they've both got bloody canker. And that one's got canker. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 babes with canker. And I've got 2 little babies up there with canker. It's pissed me off. So it's not a good thing having an outbreak of canker in the bloody box. I've got this grizzle here that won't get out of this nest.
It's not even her nest.
I've got a cockbird. Where is he? He's a blue bar. He's up there, and he's got two bloody hens in the one nest. So that white hen, that's it. That's his mate. And then we put this bloody grizzle in there, and she's sitting on the wrong egg now. That's her egg. I moved her eggs into a different nest down there, and the bloody thing keeps coming back up here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of it. I don't know. Actually, I don't know what I'm going to do. I don't really need any more rounds, to be honest with you, but we'll see how we go. See how we go. So some birds, they've got little bumps growing on their beaks too, which is not good. And over canker, but they should clear up because, like I said, they've been treated for the last 3 days, and usually it only takes 2 days, and they're 100% beaten it. So I guess I'll have to let you know how it's all going in a couple of days. But that's about it for now. I'll see if I can film the birds flying. But can't see them yet. Anyway, we'll make another video soon, and we'll see you next video. Say bye, kids.